Hi guys, do you want to sort your data in Excel? This video tutorial will show you nice ways to sort in Excel using the alphabetical method and sorting by date. So to sort alphabetically, you open up your Excel worksheet, select the range of cells you want to sort. Then in the Home tab, you click on the Sort and Filter section. You can choose to sort from A to Z or Z to A. So you click on your preferred choice. You can also choose to expand the selection or you continue with your current selection. Since we're working on full names, we continue with our current selection. Then you click on Sort. As you can see, the names have been sorted out alphabetically. Now to sort by date, you select the date file and you make sure that they are in date formula. As you can see, mine is in the date formula. To change it to a date formula, you click on the tab here, then you select short dates. It will come up like this, or if you prefer the long dates, it will come up like this. So let's go with the short dates. Now your values have been converted to the date format. After selecting your date file, you click on Sort and Filter. Here you can choose to sort from oldest to newest or from the newest date to the oldest date. So let's choose to sort from newest to oldest. It will also bring out a dialog box to ask if you like to expand the selection, to sort all the selections, or you continue with your current selection depending on your preferred choice. So you choose what you want and you click sort. So you can see that the date has been sorted out from the newest to the oldest date. So that is how you sort in Excel. Hope you enjoyed the video and you find this video helpful. Do well to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Bye guys and see you in the next video.